The world's heaviest snake is regarded as the green anaconda. They have a maximum length of 25 feet and a maximum weight of 300 pounds. Anacondas spend nearly all of their time in and around water in order to maintain their large size. Welcome to Meta Magics. This snake, which is camouflaged to blend with water clogged with plants, often waits for its victim to approach it. The snake's virtually total submersion during their ambush is made possible by the eyes and nostrils situated atop their heads. The biggest rodent on Earth, the capybara, which may weigh over 100 pounds, lives in the same waterlogged plain as the anaconda. Capybara are herbivorous and gregarious mammals. Since aquatic plants make up a large portion of their diet, they spend a lot of time around water, which is an excellent place for anacondas to hunt. It can stalk underwater undetected by sticking its head up just long enough to get a sense of distance. It then remains motionless. With its 6 rows of fangs, it attacks and coils around the big rodent. There's no way out. Anacondas' poison does not cause death. They are suppressants. They induce cardiac arrest in their victim by constricting the blood supply to the heart. They start consuming their meal whole, toes and all, as soon as the heart stops pumping. Their lips' flexible joints and supple ligaments enable them to do this. 2 rows of backward-pointing teeth are located in the center of the anaconda's upper jaw. With their independent movement, these teeth may bite into food and assist in raising the snake's head to look over its meal. However, eating in this manner leads to issues. It could be difficult for it to breathe with its mouth so firmly open. Evolution came up with a remedy for it. Something pushes the windpipe forward from the throat's depths. It turns into a snorkel that can breathe on its own while feeding. It's a substantial lunch. The anaconda will take weeks to relax as it breaks down its prey. This size of capybara will last it for months before it has to eat again.